All right. Oh, how do I edit the link? Edit all events. All right, I'm gonna get this sent out. Copy. Bink, bonk, bonk, bink. All right, all right. You planning on getting into any longs today if we dip further? Probably not today, honestly, if we dip further, but we're coming up on a lot of good positions. Like a lot of decent ones that I like Irene's coming up on 200 EMA. That's going to look real good. Let's have Dode. You got Hims. I think Hims is going to come all the way back down to around 27. I'll start buying again once we feel under 30. But what up, big man? All right. I say if we hit another banger trade and we go 5 for 5 or less 5 live sessions, we give out some free memberships. The 200 EMA is the green line. This is green line. I'm gonna make it bigger. This is big ass green line. You're gonna see price bounce off of it, much like you've seen right here. Look at that bounce. Look at these bounces. It's literally the easiest strategy that there is by far. Like literally so easy. I mean, I'm not saying that we're not gonna dip below, but it's a really good. Same with Nebius. Look at Nebius right here. Coming up, I think we get a swift turnaround for all of these stocks. I think Oklo could very well see the same thing. Joby, like look at the bounce off of that. I can't afford that shit at 17, but you've taught me more than anybody else will. Hey, bro, it's all about the brick stacking. You don't got to get it all done today, but like here's RR bouncing off the 200 EMA again. I bought right off the 200 EMA at 315. Look at that. Right on the 200 EMA. It's a great place to be. Here, Snow. If you like Snow, Snow's a great. This is a great buy for Snow. Bros, ASTS. Even Serve respected it for the most part. UNH is starting to look good again, man. Little head and shoulders inverse. Good bounce today. We'll see, bro. We will see, my dude. We hit a banger on feeding the homeless today. Let's go. Let's go. I'm telling you, we hit a banger. I'll give out some premium memberships, bro. That's that'll be 5 in a row, 5 live trades in a row with a win. I'm low-key getting bored of the wait list, bro. We could take a quick poll if we should just open premium back up. It feels wrong telling people to wait to make money. You plan on buying stocks or calls when they hit that? I'm planning on really buying stock, but you can also buy calls. I mean, there's plenty of times I've bought calls off of the 200 EMA. Just with the current market right now, I'm not looking to do so. But I don't think it would be a bad idea at all. Oh my god, dude. This recent market has just made everything look like shit. Oh, like if Hood comes down to the 200 EMA, I'll probably buy Hood at the 200 EMA with calls. I mean, look at this. Bang, 400% gains. Bang, 400% gains. So I know it's not going to happen again, but still, we could expect some pretty good stuff off the 200 EMA. And if you get burned, it's like, part of that. Tesla. Damn, Tesla's actually... I don't know why this is a glitch. But yeah, then when you see stocks below the 200 EMA, that's a great time to accumulate. After I see liquidity sweep, I have to wait for a retrace, but hear me out. Oh, dude, why is this font so tiny? I'm like trying to like squint and read this shit. Hold on. There we go. Okay. After I see liquidity sweep, hear me out. If I don't get extra couple of dollars because I got in early, that's fine. Yo, do you do premium trials like 2 to 5 days? I do not, but I am thinking about whenever you go live trading, giving out a 2-week free to both unpaid and paid premium members. Not everyone, obviously, but doing a little giveaway, which I'll see what it's about. But yeah, let me. Yeah, but I'll show you guys. Here's the kind of stuff that we've been doing for premium recently. So here's kind of where we've been. You can see this was yesterday's alerts. So we got QQQ 613 puts, 7 cons at 93 cents. We had to re-enter because we got stopped out for 10% loss. So we took one trade, lost 10%. And then the next trade we hit 70%. And these ended up going 286%. A lot of people actually were able to stay in on that. So a lot of people got at least 150% on that. I took my trims because I was focused on futures as well as I'm getting close to funded. But yeah. And then you can see BuzzBot over the past 3 days, 14 wins, 2 losses. We also broke down the play that we took yesterday. And I actually put that into replays. So if you guys want to go watch that, it's right here. But I would definitely recommend that. We've also been putting out educational stuff. We've been putting that out more and more. So you guys can see a bunch of educational stuff here. We have all of these tabs. So we're trying to get we're getting the ball moving for sure. So, but yeah, that's what we've been cooking. ES, I'd be trading MQ more. Honestly, damn, Sana looks rough. I got 5 minutes left. Silver is just flying, dude. All right, and then let's also look. All right, let me preface before I show you guys this that this is an eval. With evals, you are going to go more heavy. So this is not a true win rate or any of this kind of stuff. This is off of 5 orb trades, but still very, very profitable. But yeah, so this is the eval that we're working on right now. Just 2 days in, but we could finish it off with today if we get a $1,200 win. But yeah, we've taken 6 small losses. We've been scalping and trying to get some extra profit on the day, but still pretty good. On your portfolio, you just buy stocks at price and not a call or put. It depends. I mean, it depends on a lot of things. So, come on. Where's the other one? Get her, Griff. Get her.
Hi, boy.
Get her, Griff. Get her. Yeah. Good boy. But yeah, no, it depends on a bunch of factors. Like it depends on a bunch of things. I mean, there's some stocks that I hold shares. There's some stocks where I hold options, but generally I'm doing just shares. And then trading QQQ or SPY or whatever it may be. Good morning, the meme per. Yes, I do trade orb, and you can trade orb on ES, MQ, or MNQ, QQQ, SPY, whatever. QQQ swept previous session high from 6 p.m. We going down. I honestly need to do some. I need to rip my.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good. Let's see. So we got pre-market high. Bro, whoever put me on this indicator again, thank you. And we got pre-market low down here. Pre-market low. Yesterday's high, yesterday's low. Bang, 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 bang. Okay. All right. Are you trading futures today? I'm gonna do both again. Yesterday made me bleed red from my ass. What do you mean? We killed it yesterday. Oh, with long terms, yeah. With long terms, you just gotta keep your head on the point of, hold on. With long terms, you guys just have to keep your head on the point of every single time that we make option profit, just leave it for the dip. I mean, over the past 2 weeks, I've got about $4,000 that I'm waiting to put into long terms just from option profit. So it's like you can end up buying these dips without ever taking any money out of your pockets if you do it correctly. But most people try and, they make $100 on options and put that $100 right back in. That's not the way to do it. Keltner channels? What is that? Keltner channels. Which indicator? I'm just using this key levels indicator. Someone told me about it yesterday. I actually really like it. This one right here. Key levels. And then I use this one. It's just EM. I like that one too. But y'all, what's up, Bali? QQQ to 600. Yeah, I could easily see it. 597 was my low here. If we go lower than 597, we're all the way down to 582. I think. I mean, there's some other small levels, but overall, not exactly looking the best. All right, market is open. Bang. There we go. I haven't done a single option trade yet, Lowell, but today may be the day. Feeling good about orb now. Hey, just take it slow. You're not gonna retire today, so don't trade like you're going to. You live in the Discord or just here? Just here today. Here really quickly. Because I want to make sure everybody knows where this shit is. But look, I've been putting the events up top so you know where to join and what to join. And that's when we're going live. I also have put our schedule down here at, that'd be peak. What? But yeah, here, right here in this announcement tab, turn the notifications on for this so you guys can see. Look, Monday, we're live premium only in the Discord, and we have a YouTube video that dropped. Tuesday, we're live here on TikTok and YouTube, and we have a SoFi video dropping later today. Tomorrow is premium only. Then Thursday is live again here on YouTube and TikTok, so you guys can see. And then tomorrow I'll be live streaming the IPO. So Discord lives are peak. Yeah, bro, they are. They are low-key peak. Not gonna lie. But we gotta get them out to everybody. We gonna consolidate today. I can see it. I could definitely see some chop. But we've done a really good job of. Hold on. We've done a really good job of being safe for that kind of stuff. Just like yesterday, like I said, the last 2 days, both of our losses that we've taken 3 days, out of our 16 wins, our 2 losses have only been 10%. So I'll take it. I'll take it. What's up, Spartan? No delay. Yeah, I know. I know it. All right, let me let's see what this record is all about. This griff shaking. All right, let me see if I can. I need my OBS go. Hold on. I'm also gonna try and get a live trade out for you guys today, but if you guys aren't subscribed to me here on YouTube, make sure you do that. Make sure you do that, please. Please. Oh my God, futures are flying right now. All right. We'll continue to watch everything here per usual. Trying to get this all figured out. But yeah, we could easily see some consolidation today. I mean, we've been moving pretty crazy, but with it being OPEX week, I think we could still see some good movement. Thoughts on PayPal? I mean, they're a good company with some good growth, but I'm gonna be honest, I don't like them. I mean, they just don't do anything. If you want to get $7,000 or $6,000 wrapped up into 100 shares and do covered calls, then maybe. But other than that, like I'm not a big fan of PayPal personally. My dad owned PayPal for a while. I told him to buy it back like 3 years ago, and the small amount of shares that he has literally have not moved. He's like still pretty break even on them, bro. And it's been 3 years, and it's like since then the revenue's doubled. The EPS has doubled, but nothing else. So it's like stuff like that just doesn't move, or like we all know like look, we'll look at PayPal for example. PayPal, yeah, PYPL. Like it literally has done nothing, man. Like this, all of this from 2022 on, this is just nothing burger. What are your thoughts on Medline? I don't know much about the company itself, but I mean, I'm interested to play the earnings. Whatever I make in profits today, we'll go to that. I haven't actually thought much about it. I mean, there's nothing to really do about it. Like you're not gonna. There's nothing. You can do all your research, but when you're playing an IPO, it doesn't matter. Like the company does not matter on IPO day at all. At all. I mean, 99% of the companies IPO are not profitable, and yet still see some bullish flow on the first day. All right, I'm going to let this play out real quick. I'm going to let this next candle go. I'll be right back. Let me know any questions that you guys have. You got to go take a shit. You're doing great.
Thanks. Griffey, say hi. Griffey. Griffey, say hi.
Say hi.
I'm going to get coffee. Do you want anything?
Where are you going?
I don't know. I need to go up to Brighton and talk to Ari because I have these members that want to sign up, but they're already through another team and I don't want to take them if I can.
Or if you guys can you just give me a ring? I don't want to do it.
No photograph. I'm leaving. Are you coming, Griffey?
Whew. Sorry, boys. Thank God I got her to fill in. Man, who the hell left? Why we got 20 people left? What the hell? My bad. Sorry about that. I blinked and he changed genders. Tight. Mrs. Buzz type shit. Bullish Huzz. Yes, sir. Midland's actually profitable. Oh, I mean, hey, then that's just even better. But yeah. Since there's a delay on YouTube, can you say the cost price you want to buy around? I mean, I can do my best, but I don't really look for it. Bro did not wash his hands. Yes, I did. They're wet. Yeah, I will, but I don't focus on average price when I buy. I don't think that matters. Irene should be a good buy unless it goes below 200 EMA. I mean, if it goes below the 200 EMA, then it's just a better buy. It's just a better buy. Let me send out one more alert and make sure everybody's in here. Alrighty, tidy. Okay. You plan on switching to Zoom or Google Meet soon? I want to, but also like I like the aspect of YouTube and TikTok just because it's just nice. It's easy for me. I can record them and then post the videos to YouTube, so it makes my workflow a lot easier. You know what I'd say is I don't know because the Discord lives are working now. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday premium gets those lives. I know Nav you'll jump in there, but yeah, Monday, Wednesday, Friday we'll have premium only live. So those will be in the Discord and those will be no delay. But for days like this, I want to get these out to members. Hood calls, live chat, nice. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There we go. Hell yeah, I want to see Hood have a big day so I can sell these fucking covered calls, man. I wanted to sell these covered calls yesterday if we got any bit of green, I wish. Zoom or Google Meets, what the fuck? What do you mean? Discord live. We're doing Discord lives on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And we are doing YouTube Tuesday, Thursday. YouTube delay though. Hey, join up on premium and then be there Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I mean, we hit 70% yesterday. And then on Friday in the premium, we hit well over 150%. We did that here on live. And if you didn't, I mean, I'm outlining the whole play. And if you listen to anything that I have to teach about orb, you should honestly be in with me at the exact same time. You know, you should have your chart pulled up right next to you. You should know exactly what to do. You should know exactly how to enter. I mean, I've put out multiple videos. I have 4 videos on YouTube posted about how to trade orb. So you can just do free Discord streams on your free days. I got to think about a lot more stuff than that, man. I'm gonna stick to the way I'm doing it for real, because it's working. Yes, sir. There you go. The AFK plays. All right, we got about 4 more minutes on this candle. All right. Previous day low. PDL. PDH. But yeah, I think we're just going to keep doing it like this. I mean, unfortunately, there's just always going to be something that could be improved, but I'm not going to worry about it. What we got going is pretty good. As long as you guys are still making money, that's what I care about. And if you can't make money when we make 70%, you got bigger issues. But yeah. All right, we got 65 people in here. What's up, boys? How are y'all doing? What's up, George? All right. What's up, my dude? Do you use TradingView? Yes, this is TradingView right here. Don't forget to alert. Yesterday was a little delayed. Got you. Dave, we got 70 people in here. What is up, boys? Make sure y'all are all liking and subscribing. All right, we got videos coming out today. We're also going to be giving away premium membership or 2 if we do get a nice little trade here. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. What chart is this, though? Oh, this is QQQ. This is QQQ. This is QQQ. I feel like we tapped in. I feel like we tapped in 210 to 211 or 610 to 611 gap. Yeah, we filled the gap. Just joined. Did you enter a play? No, not yet. Not yet. Waiting on our little orby. Little orb. But I'm liking the way things are looking this morning. Should get a good opportunity here. Let me mark out orb for my shelf over on. Come on, man. Man. All right, boys. Y'all ready to get this trade in, though? All ready to get this trade in, though? We're going to keep it moving, keep it hot. I'm passing this fucking eval today. I'm telling y'all, boys. I'm passing this damn eval. It's going to feel good. Bro, where is... Well, let me... Okay, whatever. Yeah. This is on the 5-minute time frame, but we're about to switch down to the 2. We're about to switch down to the 2 in about 45 seconds. This is the 1-minute time frame. I don't know how you can't see it. I don't know why it's not showing that, but it's showing everything else. I don't know. But yeah, we're on the 5-minute time frame. Y'all know we're going to switch down to the 2 to get the entry. So we'll do that, and we'll wait, and we'll see, and we'll do all that shit. Hood has been sitting in juicy fib liquidity zone for 3 days and just wicked below 618, retracing it. Might look good soon. Yes, sir. How do you get EMA and shit on your chart for TradingView? You go up here and you search EMA, and you just grab one of them. That's it. Go up to indicators and just grab one. Yeah, I'm looking for. I want to see Hood. Where was my level? I'll switch. I'll show you. 100 is where I want to get big entries on Hood. But right now, I'm not too. I mean, I think it looks great. I just have so much already, so it's hard for me to say. But damn, boys, we got 80 people in here. What's up now? What is up, boys? Let me make sure we ain't got any questions over on TikTok real quick. I always be leaving those boys out, bro. The live is ended. They ended my live. What the hell? What's that about? Hey, man. Hey, man. All right. So we can now switch down to the 2 minute. Looks like, geez. All right. So now y'all know we are on the 2 minute. We are waiting for a nice little breakout here. Let me get a QQQ ready. QQQ. All right. If we're going to go on the put side, we're going to look at 605 puts. If we're going to go on the call side, we're probably going to look at 612. 612. So 605 to the downside, 612 to the upside. Here's what we're looking at. Remember, pull your chart up next to you if you guys don't want to get in late. You know when we enter. So all right. There we go. Hey, if we see some bullish pressure today, we could see a big bounce. But I also still want to be very, 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 very careful because we could just see one. Make sure we don't get something like this and then we just go boom. So we want to be very, very careful still. But yeah, 612 to the upside. What up? Oh, it wasn't me. Oh my God. It's a crazy candle. Well, we're definitely looking a little bullish here. Actually, no, we're going to go 60. Yeah, probably 605 to the downside, but 612 to the upside. Nah, 613 or 614 to the upside. I didn't realize these cons are so expensive. All right. Could see one direct candle followed by 5 down candle. That's what I'm saying. Be careful. Be careful. But we do look pretty good here. Remember, we're waiting for a break and a retest on the 2 minute time frame. We aren't taking anything else. I don't care. Damn, we got 87 people in here, bro. First stream hitting 100. Huh? Is that possible? Everybody drop a like real quick. We're going to hit this. Drop a like for some good luck, man. You have to drop a like for some good luck, man. Oh. All right. All right, boys. Remember, we're going to give out a free premium membership or two if we bank on this trade. So. I'm low-key down. I think every time we win a trade here on live, I think I'm going to give out 1 or 2 2-week trials here for both free unpaid members and for our premium members. Give you all a little incentive to join up because y'all know we've been killing it, bro. Shit, and I know damn well I've made all 87 people here their money back over the last couple of days. Our PMH and PML levels that it can reach. PMH and PML. Pre-market high, pre-market low. Where did I mark those out at? I forgot. PDL, PDH. Did I not mark out my pre-market highs and lows? I swear to God I did. I swear I did. Oh my God, it's the white lines. I'm an idiot. Wait. I deleted one. What the fuck am I doing? Thank you for pointing that out because I don't know what I'm doing. Honestly, just need to make one. Pre-market high. Oh, pre-market high. PMH. Thanks for the shout. I low-key forgot. No, I shouldn't be doing this right now, but all right, boys, we got the break to the upside here. Let's see how we react off of pre-market high. All right, boys, I'm looking at the 613. Oh my God, these are moving. I'm looking at the 614. Looking at the 614. 614 calls is what I'm looking at. I am not in. I am not in. I am not in, but I am looking at them. So get ready for 614 calls. Do not enter yet. Do not enter yet. We're going to wait for a breakout. Why do you mark them? Pre-market high and pre-market low are respected levels. So you always want to be wary of that. But if we can get this orb break, we can play all the way up to 618, and these things could explode. So I'm going to be more patient here. I want to wait until we see a good retest. So there's no reason to rush anything like this, but take it slow. We'll be fine. See how we're rejected off a pre-market high? That's the only thing I'm worried about. So realistically, we can wait and see if we can get a 2-minute close above pre-market high. This is a good retest. So once we get this close above pre-market high, I'm down to get in. But this is exactly, you don't want to see us reject, which is exactly what I drew out a few minutes ago. Is us coming up to pre-market high, and you see something like this. So just got to be careful. But as long as we stay safe, we'll be more than chilling. More than chilling. Once again, guys, I'm looking at the 614 calls on QQQ for today's expiration. And we're really going to get this entry once a 5-minute candle closes above here, which we still have 2 minutes left on. But I would like to see us close on the 2-minute above pre-market highs. That's what I'd like to see. But we're going to wait and see because, look, there you go. That's why we don't get that entry. Made that mistake in the past, so that proves right there that we're learning. That's a good sign. That is a good sign, boys. Because the last thing you want to happen here is get in here and then you just run it all the way back down. So. Oh, white. All right. All right. Anybody else got any questions before we do take this trade once it does come? So we broke back into orb. Boom. We're not in. 1250 puts? What does that mean? 1250. I have no clue what that means. Sean, you'll have to explain that, man. I have no clue what that is. What do you think about them Tesla 490 calls? If we got the orb break up, I like it. If we got the orb break up, I like it. I think it's a good play. Hood's up 370. I'm going to look to sell these covered calls here soon. After this play. EOS is still down. 3% on SoFi here. Okay. Oh my God, has the account got some life in it? Jeez. Let's see what these I'm looking at selling April 17th, $200 covered calls. $220 for those, dude. That's a good bit of profit. I might just rip them now and just we ain't getting a 190 in 2 weeks. Or in 3 months. I'm selling this shit. All right. So you can see we're getting close to that breakout again. Dub. All right, here we go. Sorry, can you repeat what you said? Call or put in what price? I'm going to look for a 614 put. What the fuck? 614 call once we break over this pre-market high and close. 1250 puts, 612, 1 minute tap to 612.50 for puts. I don't know. Yeah, that's not my strategy, man. I'm not gonna follow that. So after orb breakout, how do you play the rest of the day? Still waiting for more orb breakouts or what? I mean, when you're done with orb, you're done for the day. I mean, I make all my profit right here, so I don't need to go any further really. But yeah, it's up to you. All right, so we'll wait and see with this 5-minute candle closure. We didn't get the last one, so we do need to be safe here. Still on SoFi call. Yeah, SoFi call is down like 22% right now, but still have 4 months on it. So just poor timing with the market selling off, but I'm not worried at all. I think it looks good. All righty. Let's see how much we can make for this Medline IPO. 0 DTE or 1 DTE. Either works, but I go with 0 DTE. I continue to go with 0 DTE. I just want to see this pre-market high get broken. Pre-market high get broken and we close above it and I'm in. That's all I need. Once we can break this pre-market high, I'm in. Break pre-market high. Let's go. Let's ride. Time to hop in SoFi calls in. I mean, I think SoFi looked great. I'm not looking to average down just because it's in my Roth and I already have a decent position. With the way that I treat the end of the year, like I'm just going to sell all of my losses the day before the end of the year and take my tax loss harvest because, I mean, I got over damn near 50 grand in realized profits. So you got to be smart with that shit. So going heavy today, I go roughly the same size. I'm still worried more about passing this eval right now. So I'm looking at about 12 cons. Top step glitchy. Rip. What you asking about 0 DTE or 1 DTE if you're using top step? All right, let me just see either a 5-minute candle close. I would love to see this 5-minute candle close and our freaking all right, 15-minute candle closes in a second. So we can get in. We can get in once this candle closes, but I still do want to be safe. Reminder, when we get a 5-minute candle close and we do not jump in off of the 2-minute retest, which is what we got. So we could have really taken this trade right here, but I'm looking at this. We are looking good. With second that this closes, we'll get in. I'm going to get ready over here on futures and stuff to get my market buy. But yeah, we are looking good. I just want to make sure we get this close above, but we will be taking 614 puts for 1216 expiration. I will be getting 12 contracts entered. And I do believe that we can see some upside. This might take a little while to play out. If you want to go with tomorrow's expiration, you can, but I'm going 0 DTE here. This is a good setup. I like the way this is set up. I still want to see if we don't close over here. I still want to wait and see. We will be closing on the 5 and the 15-minute though, so I think we look pretty bullish. So I do like this. I'm probably going to get the entry anyways, but I am only going to go 10 cons. Once we close. Okay. Well, let me send this out, but it's not letting me fill my. All right, guys, I got 10 contracts at $1 even. I think. Wait. Where am I in at? Yeah, 10 contracts at $1 even. So I'm down $30 right now. My top step is tweaking too, bro. Please don't do this to me. No, dude, I placed a limit order. Please don't do this to me. Oh my god, my top step is tweaking. No. This is payout day, bro. Stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you guys back? Is this good? What the hell? No way top steps down, bro. I'm getting my payout today, bro. Come on. Ugh. Dude. No way top steps down. I think I entered too. Bro, my everything just crashed. My whole dude, I have no clue what's going on. It won't let me log into Top Step. I was able to enter the trade, I think. Bro, I can't even tell you what's going on, dude. I'm still in these 614 calls, but I'm a little confused on what's going on with my Top Step here. These calls I'm down 10% on right now. Come on, man. Oh, screen share? My bad. Bro, what is my computer doing? I can't get Top Step to load, bro. I swear to God, if I'm in this and it blows my account a day away from fucking funded, I'm gonna crash the fuck out. Bro, and what are we dumping for? Why are we rejecting this? Bro, come on, dude. I can't even check. Dude, what the hell? And every time Top Step crashes, the market fucking plummets, bro. Dude, what the fuck is this? I swear to God, bro. If my shit is entered, I'm done with Top Step. This is insane, bro. How do they just fucking continue to fuck you over? Bro, my shit's breaking back into orb. Oh my God. All right, well, I'm going to have to cut these. That's our stop loss in a second. Dude, I can't even do 27 different things at once, bro. All right, we're coming up on stop loss here. Yeah, that's stop loss right there. I'm going to try and figure out this Top Step. Another trade that you just couldn't do anything about. That was a good trade, but market just wants to say, fuck you. Bro, I can't figure. Dude. You said hours. Did you mean calls? What? Yeah, I just sold. And I'm logged out of Discord. Great. Awesome. Fucking awesome, dude. Can't send out the alert either. Bro, oh my God. What the hell is going on? All right. Jesus. Oh my God. And the market does something like that. Okay. Can we get Top Step moving, please? Bro, I have no clue if I can trade. I literally don't know what's going on. Oh my God, bro. What the fuck is going on? Why is just nothing working today? It won't let me log into Top Step, bro. Oh my God, dude. Come on, bro. Are you kidding me? Dude, it just won't let me get into Top Step, dude. I put my order in. I swear to God, they better refund my fucking account. Let me in, bro. Let me in. How is this shit so bad? Are you back in? No. It still looks good, but I'm not. I'm trying to figure out this shit because this is what I'm more worried about right now. We got fucking 20 different things going on. Bro, oh my God. Why is Top Step bugging? Jesus Christ, bro. I'll look to get back in, but right now I'm trying to figure this shit out because I've got 2 evals that are 1 away from funded. But if, and I'm scared to even look up Top This is a shit show, bro. Why is everything not working? I literally can't get a single fucking thing on my computer to work. It's logging me out of Discord. I can't log into Discord. I can't log into Top Step. It keeps fucking turning off my goddamn tabs, bro. What the fuck is going on? Top Step, they better fucking. I don't want a refund, bro. I want to pass my fucking eval. This shit is stupid. Oh my god, bro. Fuck. And of course we do everything right here, and the trade goes against us. But oh my god, bro, let me fucking in Top Step, dude. Bro, that's so dumb, bro. I'm worrying about fucking Top Step, and I gotta be worried about trading, dude. Can't get in. Reboot every. I mean, bro, literally won't even let me reboot, bro. I did that. I've done that, bro. I'm just sitting here on a fucking spinning screen, bro. It's up right now, man. Sweet, but I'm not fucking happy about this shit, dude. It's fucking stupid. God. Bro, that made me. God, dude. I can't believe that shit. Yeah, I'm gonna look to re-enter, but right now we're just. I'm trying to figure this shit out, dude. I'm just trying to figure this shit out. Oh my god, bro. All right, well, if this candle closes above, I'll get back in. But, dude, what a shitty fucking day, bro. What is this shit? What is this shit? All right, boys, I'm just going to get back in here. I'm back in. I'm in at, oh, W Fire Fill. Fire Fill, thank you so much. I got in at 96. I got in at 96. God, dude. I'm back in a QQQ 614 call at 96. Small size. Bro, can we get any structure in the market right now? Oh my god. Any structure in the market right now would be fucking awesome, dude. I'm in small size. All right, well, this is just fucking. What a no good, very bad day. All right, well, we'll see if we break back into orb. I mean, look at this. We do everything correctly. And we just, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. This is just actually a crazy market. Oh my god, dude. What the fuck is this? I'm out. I'm out. That's my stop loss. Are you serious? We don't lose for 5 days in a row and then we get this absolute bullshit? Are you kidding me? Oh my god, dude. This is insane, bro. You can do everything right and the market will still fuck you over. Bro, and I can't get into my top step. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, bro. Don't lose a trade for 5 days and then you lose 2 immediately on 2 great entries. That's fucking sick. That's fucking sick, dude. That's actually sickening, bro. Should have joined Tesla, bro. Yeah, I think I should have just not woken up today, bro. I still can't get in my fucking Top Step. Are you kidding me? God damn, dude. Jesus fucking Christ, bro. Let me in, please. Won't let me log in. Won't let me do anything, bro. Oh my God. Am I in? Am I in? Is it going to let me in? Okay, I don't think I was filled on Top Step. I was not filled on Top Step, I do not think. Bro, I'm every single time that my shit cuts out, I'm just trying to log into Top Step. Every single time that my shit literally turns my fucking Google Chrome off, I'm just trying to log in. Oh my God, bro. Yeah, just don't take this trade. Just miss your trade. Well, I mean, look at this fucking crumbs, bro. God damn, dude. Top Step, bro. Yes. Woo. You're joking me right now, bro. This is a joke, dude. A joke. First trade I took and it's cooked. Yeah, bro. Fucking ass, bro. Every time Top Step goes down, look. Top Step goes down. Top Step comes up. Top Step goes down. Every single time. It happened last week, too. Because no one's trading these fucking markets, bro. God, bro. I'm one fucking trade away from my eval being done. One fucking trade from this eval being done, and I gotta deal with this shit. Oh my God, bro. Fuck this. We just got rinsed on fucking QQQ too because of this. Oh my God, dude. Ugh. Fucking stupid as fuck. Oh my God. Well, sorry, boys. Some days it's just out of your control, bro. I mean, you can't really do much. Insane, dude. Insane. Literally nothing is fucking loading, bro. It's not even my Wi-Fi, bro. Oh my God. Bro, that's so sad. All of the volatility just got shit on. All you have to do is orb type shit, Kyle. Yeah, all you have to do is orb every single day except for when Top Step goes down, when Robinhood goes down, and then when your browsers literally just turn off your computer every time you try and log into Top Step. Yep, Robinhood's down, Top Step's down. That's why this is a thing. Bro, that's insane. The fuck? Oh my God, dude. Oh my God, bro. I got a question here. Bro, oh my god. First trade, I take this shit happens. I mean, yeah, you're not gonna win every trade, man. I mean, where were you when we went 5 for 5 yesterday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, and Tuesday of last week? You just gotta stay on it, bro. It's chill. First loss for us in a week. I mean, not a good loss, but nothing that we can fucking control with this bullshit. Bro, now we're looking bearish. Like, what is going on, man? Oh my god. This is just horrid. Hey, we do have 6, 7 people watching, though. Bro, I just want to pass this fucking eval and it won't even let me in. It won't even let me in. I'm about to do this shit on my computer, bro. Down 1,700? Why are you going so big on something that I literally said I was doing half size on? What the hell? You're going to let it ride? Guys, what the hell are you guys doing? You're going to let it ride? This looks like actual dog shit. We just had Top Step, the top funded account, go down for futures, and we had Robinhood go down. There is going to be dog shit volume. This is horrible trading conditions. Tried some puts, but nothing clear is happening. I mean, puts if anything, but I wouldn't look at anything right now. Market is Dukas. Are we serious, bro? People are trading. Is Top Step back up? Is Top Step back up? Full port Medline. Yeesh. What A day. All right, well, I'm going to try Top Step real quick. It's probably going to crash my account, so I'll be right back, boys. Is Top Step going to load? Win some, lose some, he'll get it back. Yeah, we'll get it back, bro. It's just annoying because that wasn't our fault. I mean, obviously the loss was my fault. I take full responsibility for that. It's not like, you know, but whenever Top Step goes down and you don't have futures volume, bro, I'm actually going to go insane. I'm actually going to go insane. My Top Step will not load. Bro, I just don't get this shit. I'm not going to do it. I'm not using it. I just want to make sure. I just want to fucking see if my shit's blown or not. Because my shit would be blown if it didn't let me put my stop loss in. Oh my god, bro. This market is complete doo-doo shit. Well, can't really do anything other than sit here and just sulk, you guys. Can't even get into my accounts. I mean, this is just actually nightmare morning, bro. Everything's fucking down. Can't check my Robinhood. Can't check my Top Step. I have no clue what's going on at all. Oh, what a day. What a day. What a day. Dude, this is just horrid, bro. What is this? I'm about to just jump in the VC low-key because this is just rough. Yeah, you're just going to have to email them and let them know. I can't even get in, so I can't even tell you if my shit's blown or not. But I'm going to end the stream here and jump in the